Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Whenever a military drill or exercise happens between countries, it obviously looks good to watch and also to learn what actually happens in it. Normally, such exercises happen between 2 or 3 or 4 countries. But if the same exercise happens between 7 countries, it is indeed a majestic program. The exercise which I am talking about here is the Blue Flag 2021 drill, which is going to happen with teams from the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, France, Greece, and India. The reason why this exercise is something more grand and special is due to the participation of a variety of 4th and 5th generation aircrafts. The aircraft which I am talking about are the Dassault Aviation's Mirage 2000, Lockheed Martin F-35, Boeing F-15, Eurofighter Typhoon, and Dassault Aviation's Rafale, to name a few. The fighter jets participating in this particular exercise will perform flyby over Jerusalem and Tel Aviv at low altitude. Such flyby expresses the strong partnership and connection between the air forces and the countries. Just like other exercises, the main aim behind conducting this exercise is to strengthen the strategic relationship and also to learn and deepen the coordination of 5th and 4th generation fighters. Obviously, each team will have its own strength and capability which can be shared among themselves during such drills. Another aspect of this exercise being special is due to the way the drill is going to be conducted. Yes, as per the different sources and based on the history of this exercise, during the drill, these teams will simulate in-air battles and ground-to-air battles, and it will also practice dealing with the threat of advanced surface-to-air missiles. It is said that the exercise will formally kick off on Sunday, which is October 17, 2021, and it will conclude on October 28, 2021. I'll upload more videos to provide an update on this particular grand exercise. So let's expect this grand drill strengthen the strategic cooperation through shared learning about the integration of 4th and 5th generation aircraft in a complex operational scenarios. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.